We'll guide you through how to collaborate using Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're in, you'll see your Dropbox dashboard. To start collaborating, you need to create or select a folder that you want to share with others. Navigate to the folder you want to share or create a new one by clicking the New Folder button at the top of the page. After selecting the folder, look for the Share button, usually represented by a person icon with a plus sign next to it. Click on it. A window will pop up where you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to collaborate with. Make sure to set the permissions. You can choose between Can Edit or Can View, depending on whether you want them to just view the files or also make changes. After setting the permissions, click on the Share folder button to send the invitation. The people you've shared with will receive an email invitation to join the folder. Once they accept, you can all start collaborating by adding, editing, or commenting on files within the shared folder. You can also leave comments on specific files by opening them and clicking the comment button at the right. This is a great way to discuss changes or provide feedback. Remember, you can always manage access by clicking on the Share button again and modifying the permissions or removing collaborators if needed. Collaborating on Dropbox is a powerful way to work together seamlessly, whether you're working on a project, sharing documents, or organizing files. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.